Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Philips espresso machine. It comes to us with an issue. It wasn't good coffee, and this brew unit was stuck in there. So I tried with this brew unit. I soaked it, cleaned it out, lubricated, and I tried to test it after I replaced this. This was like the old gasket on it, and it didn't work. Then when I double checked on it, I found like tiny small parts, like from one side it was like kind of shaved, the other side was like small broken on it, so it was keeping getting stuck. So I did a tune up for the machine. I cleaned the whole machine after lubricate all the moving parts after that, and I descaled it and did a cleaning cycle on it, and I replaced the whole brew unit and the valve in behind, and this is some of the gaskets too inside the machine get replaced. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot on it. The grinder now in the course is sitting, otherwise it's not gonna give like the good coffee. And here we go, and the maximum of the ground coffee, and medium on the water. Let's test it. You can see how this is really great shot with thick crema. Here you go. And 3 layers of coffee. So let's test the hot water. The functioning perfect. So all the functions on this machine working perfect. Thank you for watching.